丹麦首都哥本哈根有400年历史的古建高所导火烧，即马规个放弃，火已经受控制，加在无人伤亡。也过当地官员表示，这个建筑物对因丹麦人来讲意义是真大的。导火烧就袂出亲像法国巴黎圣母医红烧去共款，互因真唔甘。
丹麦首都哥本哈根真有名的地标古建款教育所规个导火，尖塔火火烧甲规基拢倒来。
It was built by Christian IV 400 years ago, and it was the center for trade in Northern Europe for 400 years, and it was the house with 400 people working in there, working for Danish enterprises and companies, and now our home is actually on fire.
伫消防员拍火时阵，皇家生命卫队的人开路，急救人员建筑物所属的丹麦上港总会，包括执行长米凯森在内的员工，走入去内底救几落百件艺术品出来，包括图、镜、吊灯、时钟、表啊。丹麦19世纪印象派画家克洛伊的作品也拢安全救出来。
It is our Notre Dame in Copenhagen. This.
We are going to put out the fire. All the paintings and all the things of value that was possible to save from the building has been saved.
导火原因也唔知，规个建筑物有正大部分拢被严重烧害。这个古建款教育所已经无伫咧交接。丹麦上港总会自1857年开始就这栋建筑物的产权，并且努力伫咧复兴丹麦国王克里斯蒂安4世的风格。这栋建筑物一开始是伫咧做地米加烹调废物的木器，伊正特别的尖塔外形是4条龙的尾溜填起来，表示要保护丹麦透过木艺所赚入来黄金。公司新闻吴文玲报道。